Part 2. This is slime. Hold on. Sorry. Woo! Unexpected. Brooklyn is still talking to, what's her name?
Cynthia.
Cynthia. Sorry?
Guess what I got from the store?
So, she's also
I
talking to
got
her
this
bestie on
from
the
the
phone.
store because I'm bored and I want to do somebody's hair.
Are you really on
KK
the phone?
Because KK don't ever want me to do her hair.
I don't like people doing my hair. Seriously. Anyways, I'm just cutting this song. Bye, guys. I'll probably make it part 3. I'm not sure. But bye.